Hey Ryan, to answer your question for 11 on, I think you said 5C, simple factoring, so chapter 5.4, how does the additional value change your thinking? So, to factor this, you would factor this the exact same way, okay? So what we're going to do is, I'm going to make this blue, okay? And then group everything else together as if it was the constant. So for example, a squared and a will be the same as our, will be the same as our x squared plus x, okay? So, so then here, you know what, let me try that again. That was really poor warning, sorry, I just woke up. Okay, let's try this again. So, my a squared and a, okay? I'm going to treat this as my x squared and x, okay? Now, everything else, I'm going to treat those as my constants. So plus 11b, which means in this case it'll be plus 11b. Not my constants, sorry, my coefficients. Plus 11b. And then here I have plus 24b squared. And here I would have plus 24b squared. So what does that mean when I'm trying to simple factor this? Well, it means the exact same thing. I need two numbers that will multiply to give me 24b squared. 24b squared. But at the same time, must add to give me 11b. And what are those two numbers? Well, those two numbers are just going to be, well, 8 and 3 obviously work, right? But 8 times 3 is not 24b squared. It's going to be 8b times 3b will give me 24b squared, correct? Because 8 times 3 is 24, b times b is b squared. Let's see if this satisfies the other condition, 8b and 3b. 8b plus 3b is 11b, and we're done. So this would just be x plus 8b, and then x plus 3b. And I'm done. And if you wanted to check too, you can expand that out, and you end up with what you started off with. I'll do the second one too for you. Second one means the exact same thing. So if I rewrote this with color, so it would be k squared and k. And then k squared and k, and then everything else, the coefficients, I'll put that in blue, so minus 11m, and then plus 18m squared, plus 18m squared, okay? So now that I've separated the two colors, I just rewrote the equation, but just separated the variable we're working with, and grouped everything else as a coefficient. Now same thing, we need two numbers that will multiply to give me 18m squared, but at the same time must add to give me negative 11m. So it looks like that's going to be a 9 and a 2, and because we're looking at m squared, it's going to be m and m. So let's see here, 9m plus 2m won't give me negative 11m, but if I just make them negatives, negative 9 plus negative 2 is negative 11. So there you have it, k minus 9m and k minus 2m. Okay, so hopefully that answers your question. Once again, you can expand that out and you should end up with what you started off with. Okay, alright, take care, bye.